Our team has been looking at around about 65 different potential innovation development areas.
SES CTO Martin Halliwell got the Satellite 2012 conference started bright and early, with a panel discussion about satellite technology advancements on the horizon.
We are firmly convinced that electrical propulsion is going to be the major step forward for us to be able to reduce mass to orbit.
He sees electric spacecraft as a game changer in the next 3 to 5 years.
That gives us two things. We either look for a much smaller launch vehicle with the associated reduction in cost, or alternatively, we maintain the mass, but we use that mass for useful payload development. This will be the single biggest change, I believe, in the satellite industry over the next 3 to 5 years.
SES has a vocal and visible presence at this year's satellite conference. Halliwell was the first of 15 SES executives to lead panel discussions on everything from new technologies and emerging markets to managing capital in turbulent times.
The regions where we expect to see growth is in Latin America, Asia, the Middle East and Africa.
In addition to having strengthened underlying numbers, high margins, high cash flow, that the investment program to build the future for us all is well underway.
The SES stand has been a big hit from the moment the exhibition floor opened its doors. Attendees are checking out the growing SES fleet with the wave of a hand using video game technologies. They're also getting a close-up view of the Air Force's new CHIRP technology. The breakthrough infrared sensor system is hosted aboard the SES-2 satellite.
First sensor of its type ever to be tested from geosynchronous orbit. It's the first commercially hosted payload for the United States Air Force, and it's actually the first government payload ever to be launched on an SES spacecraft.
SES's strong alliance with O3b Networks is also being showcased, just 1 short year away from the historic launch of O3b's new Ka-band fleet that will connect underserved and emerging markets. About 11,000 professionals, leaders, and innovators have converged on Washington, D.C. from around the world to share ideas and explore new opportunities. SES's Steve Korda is always looking for new possibilities and believes over-the-top television could be big for satellite.
Satellite is very well positioned because we've been in the core of this business from its inception, and now as the models change, we change along with those models, and we'll continue to provide the high quality service in the most cost-effective way to the largest audience.
SES's new regional leadership is utilizing the Satellite 2012 conference to meet with customers and staff in preparation for an exciting year ahead.
You'll be surprised to see that there are many customers actually traveling from Africa to Washington to attend that show. So it's a good opportunity for us to meet with them.
It's a good opportunity for our senior management and our customer senior management to get together, not just establish a good relationship, but to really understand each other's business plans.
The Satellite Conference has long provided a great opportunity for SES leadership, sales, and support teams to catch up with customers from around the world. This year, they gathered to celebrate their partnerships at a special party at the SES office here. We were there, and we'll bring you the customer's perspective tomorrow. I'm Paul Sims reporting from Washington, D.C.